welcome to another edition of In the Spotlight, where we bring you the latest insights and updates from leading companies in the parking industry. Today we're excited to have with us Martin Kieroth, CEO of Nordisk Profil GmbH. Nordisk Profil is a key player in the field of high-quality facade systems, known for their innovative and eco-friendly solutions that are transforming the parking infrastructure. Recently, they've also expanded their operations with a new facility in Germany. Congratulations on the opening in Paderborn, Martin. For our audience hearing about Nordisk Profil for the first time, could you please provide a brief introduction?
Yes, for sure. Hi, I'm Martin. I have the experience of more than 10 years in car parks, and Nordisk Profil has existed more than 30 years in Scandinavia. The main center is located in Copenhagen, and now we're opening the GmbH here in Germany, but we're working for whole Europe from here, from the center of Germany.
What led you to this step, Martin? So what is the ambition you have for the company and the industry?
I think it is very important to follow the roots and come back to the roots and a little bit rescue the world. All guys looking for wood and also for aluminium to have a sustainable priority and a EPD feed also. And this is my biggest competition, to make buildings nicer and easier to assembling on site and have no waste on site and everything behind the stage to have an easy product.
Can you elaborate on the range of products Nordisk Profil offers to the parking market?
We have two different products. In case of wood and aluminium, you can cover everything. But we have an open system. We call it Nordisk Profil Click. Yeah, you can only take the small lamella, take it into your wanted direction, click it, and that's all. Yeah. So, and the same is with our closed system. You can see it here. This is fully closed plate, and you have a closed facade where you can work in all shopping malls, inside and outside also. And this is two different products. You see no screws. Yeah, we can cover all screws. We can protect it. We have for sure car safety tests when you crash into a safety barrier, which one is also our product in collaboration with Project W. You can see it on a sample wall. We are free on the market, so it doesn't matter if you have under construction in concrete or you have steel. We can design everything in all directions. You can see it here on the left in horizontal direction or also here in vertical direction. But all other directions are also possible. We need to talk. You can combine it with aluminium and also with wood.
What would you say makes your solutions eco-friendly while still being superior in the industry in terms of functionality?
We use always material from Europe. This is the first thing. And we have controlled the whole supply chain because to get the EPD and to know what you do, you know, to have all experience from A to Z. So in all this direction, we have our materials could be reusable in the buildings, also recyclable, and for sure you can attach it again and take it to another building. All this is possible to have no waste in the future.
Interesting. So in addition to sustainability and modularity, are there other ways you are future-proofing your solutions?
I see the experience in the future and the trends that's coming more and more in wood and aluminium. And we have also green walls with a cooperation partner, Veritopia, in UK, who is also able to do that in whole Europe. And all the future coming trends, we can absorb it here in Germany and can design it and plan it directly from here. Also the innovation in the future with solar panels directly attached to Integra, safety barriers or also to walls. And for us, it's very important to look not only to new buildings or new coming buildings, we are also in refurbishment. Yeah? So if you have an old facade who is not acceptable for the future, you need to take it in a special waste box. Then we can easily mount our facades with small clicks, and you have a really new brand look, and also for the future with wood and aluminium.
Safety is increasingly becoming a critical concern in the industry, especially with the rise of electric vehicles. Can you tell me a bit about the implications of using wood within facade systems?
Yes, it's very, very crazy because all guys updated the rules and the requirements in the past, but they're looking only for the forces. Yeah, every guy is concentrating for the accus in the cars, how protected the fire in the car park, but the requirement says at this stage we want wood, but please in A1 fire protection, and this is not possible to meet them because wood has the most highest classes B1. And if you go in touch with these architects and the governments, then it's very easy to explain it, because if the fire is in the car park, then it burns always from inside to outside. And before it comes to the facade, the car park is on one side broken down or collapsed, or the firefighters are there and erase the fire. So in this case, it's very difficult to talk about facade. From my side, it made no sense. And it makes sense to discuss it, why we don't use wood an outside facade. And otherwise, you have also steel columns and the main structure. There I can understand the protection in case of fire, but not for the facade on outside.
So parking garages, while essential, often are not exactly nice to look at. I know that Nordisk Profil is looking to change that, but I'm curious, is there a specific style that you follow?
Yeah, to be honest, we have not really a style. Because you see here in our offices and also in our references a lot of different styles. So we have now a request and also a project in the Netherlands where you use triangles, and otherwise we can use different designs. So our system is behind the stage. We have a click system and also the panel system. And in the front of them, you can decide what you want. It could be more thickness wood, it could be aluminium, it could be all different products who are sensible, and it doesn't matter which kind of wood, and always powder coated also. So the hands are free. Yeah, we plan everything to have no claims, and in the last 30 years we have 0% claims on buildings. And also with the warranty. If you look our facades after a lot of years, it's still the same view. And the only one thing what you need to know is that the product, wood or timber, is natural. That means that will be a little bit gray. And for sure, if you want to change the color, you can do that with coatings and everything else. But our facades are always maintenance free. If you left them as you had mounted, then you have no maintenance with that. This is our most important thing. Yeah.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Nordisk Profil Germany? Are there particular segments or maybe regions you're targeting for expansion?
Yeah, we from Nordisk Profil Germany, we expect it to grow in Germany also, because we have the hugest possibilities here. But also with my experience and the key account partner that follow me also here by Nordisk, we have a huge network. And we use it also for logistic houses, and in case of airport events, we can use it also for the inside coming VIP rooms. And we concentrate at this stage in Germany and in neighborhood countries. But we are in November in Abu Dhabi for a special project. So the hands are never kept. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time today, Martin. We look forward to seeing Nordisk Profil's continued growth and the positive impact of your solutions worldwide.
Thank you very much.
To our audience, thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more In the Spotlight interviews where we continue to connect you with industry leaders and their groundbreaking work. Until next time, stay informed and connected with Parking Network.